Hey, my YouTube friends and family. Hey, I'm back with a video today. It's been a while, so I'm back today to get these spring cooks fired off. Today is Mother's Day, so it'll be after Mother's Day when you see this video. But happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm going to do a little short cook today on something simple, but I've cooked before, but not did an official video on. So I'm going to do some chicken today, folks. We're going to smoke some chicken, whole chickens, on the Traeger Ironwood XL with them Smokin Pecan Pellets, the best pellets on the market, folks. So, folks, once I get these ingredients together, I'm going to show you all how I'm going to do this quick smoke on these chickens. So, folks, if you hold tight, I'll bring you right back. Hey, my YouTube friends and family. Hey, I'm back, folks. As you can see here, I got two chickens. They just your regular run-of-the-mill chickens. I got them at Walmart in a 2-pack for $15. So these ingredients are going to be so simple today. I want the chicken and I want the smoke from those Smokin Pecan Pellets to shine. So we're going to use some simple seasonings. What I have here is some ghee. This is just butter with all the milk solids cooked out to where you don't have any liquid. I'm going to use it as a slather on these birds because, hey, butter and chicken, how can you go wrong? But I'm also, during the cook, I'm going to drizzle a little over the top to help that skin be a little crispy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little of this ghee and I'm going to just pour it out on this bird and I'm going to just rub it around. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Rub it around, get it on there a little bit to help that seasoning hold on to the skin. I'm going to do this one on camera. The other one I'll do off camera just so you can see. Then I got this Saison all-purpose seasoning. I want to try it out. I saw it in a video on a turkey breast at a barbecue restaurant in Texas. It was a different type, but I want to just see what type of flavor profile this gives. So now I'm just going to take this right here, sprinkle it all on this boy here. Get him happy, tasting good. Yes, indeed. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. And like I said earlier, folk, I hope all the mothers have a wonderful Mother's Day. Mother, she's the carrier of life. So we really appreciate our mothers, folks. My mother has passed on and Mother's Day is a little different, but I'm happy to see families and mothers celebrating together. Don't pass up on that opportunity, folks. So now I got some McCormick coarse black pepper. We're going to get that on this chicken. All right, folks. We're going to flip this little bird over. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Oh, a little too much, but that's all right. More butter, more flavor. Off camera, I cleaned the chickens and got them out of the package. I don't think y'all really need to see how to clean a chicken. If you do, let me know and I'll do a video on how to clean a chicken. But I think most people know. Get a little more of this on this here. As you can see there, I'm going to get a little bit on the inside of that cavity. Don't want to overpower it, folks, like I said. Just want to give it a good seasoned flavor. Gonna hit the top lightly with this black pepper. Yeah. Looks good, people. It looks good. Make sure you get everything on there. All right, folks. When I get this other bird taken care of and seasoned, and I'm getting ready to put them on the grill, I'll bring you back. All right, folks, I'm back. As you can see, I got them chickens on the Traeger Ironwood I got them Smokin Pecan Pellets going. I just set them on there, and we're gonna close the lid and let them go and see what they do, folks. So once we get a little color on them, after about maybe an hour, I'll bring you back and we'll take a peek. All right, folks, hold tight. Hey, my YouTube friends and family. Hey, I'm back. Hey, it's been about an hour and a half since I put these chickens on. So let's take a look and see what we got. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that color on these birds. That bark is setting up nicely. Them ribs right there, since I fired it up, I had to throw me a little rack of ribs on just to do it, you know. But today the focus is on these chickens. But look at that color, folks. They are looking amazing. So, folks, I'm going to let them keep on going. I'm not going to temp them yet. Maybe in about another 45 minutes, I'm going to come out and temp them. And then we'll see what we need to do from there. But the temperature we running at today is about 275. So, folks, if you just hold on tight, about 45 minutes or so, we're going to take another look at these daggone chickens, and I'll bring you back. All right, folks, I'm back. Folks, it's been about 45 minutes. Man, look at these chickens. They looking right tasty. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get me an internal temp. I'm going to go inside here versus through the skin because I don't want to. Man, that breast is like 170 already. Man, I'm going to go in here on the thigh. 170, 180. I'm going to tell you what, folks. I'm going to brush them with a little of this ghee. And then after that, I'm going to get them off because I'm going to let them go a little bit just to let that ghee set up on there. Maybe enhance the flavor of that skin a little bit. Then, folks, I think it's going to be time to get these bad boys off. Man, yeah. Getting a little of that ghee on here just to enhance that skin a little bit. And then, folks, I think we're going, and you know what? Hey, I'm going to ghee these ribs. Get a little bit of that moisture, of that ghee on these ribs. Because they're cooking right along, folks. They coming along too. But the ribs not the focus of the video. It's these beautiful chickens, folks. And I'm going to temp this one. I didn't temp that one. So let me temp this one and see where this one is. I'm going here because I don't want that juice coming out that skin. Okay, the breast on this one is like 150. Okay, 158. A little thigh without hitting the bone. Okay, this one maybe a little bigger than this one. It's got a little ways to go. But I hit them with that ghee just to shine up that skin, let them go. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, don't pay me no mind. Keep on cooking, folks. Just keep on cooking. So, folks, I'm going to come back maybe in about another 20 minutes, and we're going to take another look at these chickens. So, folks, hold tight. All right, folks, I'm back. Hey, I got these chickens sitting in here, inside here now. Since I videoed last, I let them stay on about another 15 minutes. Temperature came up to, on the breast, 165. Inside on the legs, they came up to about 190. So, I had them in here resting, so I pulled them off, but I had them in here resting about 20 minutes. And I can't wait no longer, folks, because I want to get into these birds. So I'm going to slice me off a little bit of this breast meat. Because, you know, breast is always supposed to be the driest. But I want to cut me some of this off. Oh, my goodness, folks. Look at this chicken. It looks amazing. Look at that. It's so juicy. It slipped right off the breast meat, off the skin. And what I'm going to do is, once I get I'm going to flip my camera around. I'm going to show y'all, give y'all a taste test on these on this chicken breast. And then I'm going to wrap up this video. So, folks, hey, I've enjoyed making this video. I told you it was going to be a short one today. Chicken don't take long. The seasonings that we use are simple seasonings you can find. I found these at my Walmart. So if you want to check them out and give them a try, go ahead. See if they're to your liking, but adjust your flavors as you like. But folks, I'm going to turn my camera around and I'm going to give you a taste test and we're going to see what we got. So folks, just hold tight. All right, folks, I'm back. Let me tell you, I told you it was going to be a short cook today, but I'm going to give this daggone chicken breast a taste. It is juicy, it is tender. So let's see what we got, folks. Oh my goodness, the juice, the flavor, the seasoning, but most of all, the flavor that Smokin Pecan Pellet enhances the flavor of the chicken. It's easy to overpower chicken with smoke. This pellet totally enhances the flavor. Gives you that mild smoke from that pecan shell that's delicious. But folks, I'm gonna tell you, this has been a great cook today. Simple ingredients that I found at my local Walmart that you can find at yours. Just look in the video and you'll see what those ingredients were. The ghee, the Saison all-purpose seasoning, and the McCormick coarse black pepper. That was it. And a little time on the grill. This took a total of 3 hours for these chickens. In that 3 hours, folks, I only used 20% of my pellets. I wish I had put a screenshot on the screen to show you, but you just have to believe it. But folks, this is a delicious cook. The flavor, you can't go wrong. So folks, as I always say, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe so I can continue to grow my channel. Matt D, I haven't forgotten you. I appreciate you, my friend. And we're going to get that breakfast video for you, my friend. So folks, as I always say,